don't choose the wrong Christmas tree.
That's right, guys. We have don't choose the wrong Christmas tree.
No.
We have all these cute Christmas trees, and inside are different slime ingredients. But before we get started with that, make sure you guys go to theanicorns.com to get our Christmas gift for this Christmas, which is the anicorns, which are animals mixed with the unicorns, and they can be under your tree on Christmas morning. Make sure you tell parents, grandparents, friends, uncles, everybody you want an anicorn, theanicorns.com. You
Yes.
ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Okay, so to get started, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Oh!
Yeah.
And Ellie was early to the draw. That means Team Little Sister goes first. Now, if you don't know, I want you to, below in the comments, we always see who wins. We want you to put either hashtag Team Little Sister or hashtag Team Ellie if you want Ellie to win. And if you want Naya to win, to put hashtag Team Big Sister and hashtag Naya. So before we get started, we're going to put a half a gallon of glue in each girl's tub. So here you go, Naya.
Glue. Put
Naya,
the glue. Whack the glue.
Can you squeeze yours in there?
No. Naya has
Don't
skinny
touch the
hands.
glue. One thing Naya does, she likes to put her hands in the glue. So if you guys see Naya put her hands in the glue before it's time to mix, make sure you leave a comment, say, Naya, hands up, Naya, hands up, Naya. Or we're going to see a million comments that say, hands up.
I don't care. Guys, please don't say it. Please don't do it, guys.
No, don't let her
Guys,
fool you with that
please
baby
don't
look.
do it. Guys, please don't do it. If you do it, I'm going to be really sad. And Mommy
Oh
is
my
going to
gosh,
get
this
mad
is
at
the,
me.
y'all, she's faking you out. So if you believe her, right?
Cough up that baby's voice. Cough.
There's somebody at the
Please
door.
let me do it. Please don't do
Somebody
it.
creeping outside my house.
The game master's outside, guys.
Wow.
Guys, the
Please
game master's
clarify.
outside, leaving us a clue.
He's right there, Mommy. He's leaving us a clue.
Okay, I
He's
think it's the
angry
game
at-
master, the mailman.
Yay.
So in this challenge, we're just going to choose. We're not going to have any numbers. So Ellie, which one would you like first?
I want this one.
Okay, so Ellie has chosen. Let me make sure it's not showing. Hold on. Ellie has chosen this Christmas tree. Ellie, what do you think is in your under your? What did Santa leave you for your
I think
slime
it's like
ingredient?
pink balls or it can be diamonds.
Pink balls or diamonds? Real diamonds?
They're
Like
the
engagement
fake
ring
There's like fake diamonds.
Gucci diamonds?
Mommy has a Gucci diamond.
Okay. All right, guys, leave a comment. What do you think she has? Here you go, Ellie. Hold it from the bottom. All right, and reveal your ingredient. You gotta take it out. Take it out from the bottom. Don't throw it away.
Rainbow!
After that disaster, go ahead, Ellie, and open up.
Oh man.
She has rainbow foam balls.
I'm so mad.
She has rainbow snowballs. Okay, so Naya, which one would you like? Please do not touch them. I
I
will.
like the red
Okay.
one with black and brown.
Okay, so Naya got this one. This is the one she chose. I don't know if you guys can see when they're choosing it. I'll try to back it up so you guys can see. Naya, what do you think you have in yours?
I think I have beads too, but not for dark beads.
Okay, you have beads, actual glass beads, foam beads. What kind of beads?
Some beads.
She thinks she has foam beads. Okay, grab it from the bottom the way I have it, and let's see what you have.
Oh, I had beads, but I have these green ugly ones.
So Naya got these green fish bowl slushy beads, which I think are really pretty and really appropriate for Christmas. Here you go, Naya. Let's see what hers looks like.
I'm trying to like get these like
Okay, so Ellie, what is going to be your next Christmas tree? Which tree
This one.
did Santa leave you a gift? All right, so I'm going to hand you this. I don't want you to see. All right, so here is Ellie's. Ellie, take a guess. What do you have?
I think I have like jabs or something.
You have whoa,
Jabs or like foam
gems
balls.
or foam balls. Okay, here she goes. Team Ellie, let's see. Grab it underneath.
I hope he has like something that's really bad. That's not really bad. No.
Naya's face just froze to death when she saw that.
That's not really bad, and I want those.
Naya, oh, so she got the other
I
set of
hate
rainbow.
this challenge. I hate everything that goes with it.
Oh, she got all your rainbow. If you guys don't know, Naya's obsessed with rainbows.
I want that slime for my birthday.
You can't have it. I'm evil. I'm mean. I'm jealous. I'm random.
No! Yeah.
Now, Naya, it's time for you to choose an. I'll grab it. I'll choose
No,
this.
I'm gonna get that.
Okay, don't look. Don't look.
I hope I get something that Ellie absolutely.
Okay. All right. So,
love.
what do you think you have, or what do you wish you had?
Maybe.
Let's see if Santa grants your wish.
Maybe like.
Wait, were you naughty or nice this year?
Nice.
I don't know. Depends on if you get what Santa
Naughty.
leave you. What does Santa leave you, dear?
Maybe glue.
What color glue?
I don't really care.
Well, you have to pick one.
Oh,
So
no,
to see if
Please,
Santa
please
granted
not
your
brown.
wish.
Please,
You want brown?
I like rainbow, not brown.
Just one
Black.
color. Pick it, and that lets us know if you're nice or naughty.
Teal.
Yellow.
Yellow glue. Okay, here you go. Grab it. And what did you get?
Oh, Ellie! Ooh, Santa definitely granted my wish.
Okay, look at this.
Well,
guys.
I got that.
Sorry,
Naya got
Ellie.
this pink
Ew.
glitter squishy.
Ellie said ew.
Is hold
It's
it.
cut the cut the head. Oh, it looks like pimples.
Okay, so Naya, why don't you hold that up for me?
Oh, this
And
is
I'm
so
gonna
pretty.
let's hold it down
Oh,
here.
Ellie, I want to see this.
All right, actually, just hold it like this.
Okay, like that.
All right, and I'm gonna try to snip. Actually, I'll snip a little.
You sure?
All right, now why don't you turn
Okay,
it over?
I thought it was like
Please
this.
do. That looks pretty cool.
Do you see Ellie's eyes?
Jealous eyes.
I want this one.
Okay. All right. So now it's time to wait, Team Little Sister. I'm gonna grab that for
I
you.
bet you. I
Because
know
Team
what
Big
it
Sister's
is.
taking 500 years. Oh, Ellie can already see it, so there's no point in guessing.
Yeah, I
this.
bet it. I think.
All right, guys. You guys leave a comment. Naya, do you know what it is?
Is it sometimes with white beads?
White beads. All right. Let's see if Team
Give
Big
it to
Sister
me.
knew it. Here you go.
Oh, I thought they were white.
You got blue slushy beads. Let's take a look.
What? No, these are diamond beads from
These
the
are
way.
these are diamond beads from where? Kuwait. What'd you say?
No,
Ellie?
the diamond beads from the queen of England's wall.
No, she said they're diamond
So she
beads.
can dream. So
From
she can look at
Kuwait.
pimples at the walls.
Okay. I'm gonna let that
Ellie's
answer it.
slime looks like pimple slime.
All right, so Naya's gonna hold still so we can hear it, so we can see it. Watch, she's gonna sprinkle them all around slowly. What did I say? Look how she's doing it, Naya. It actually looks pretty cool. Like it has some diamonds in the little
Eyeballs.
funfetti.
No, it's eyeballs.
So Naya, which Christmas tree did Santa leave you next? Wait. Okay, so Santa left you this Christmas tree. Okay, guys. So here's Naya's. Naya, were you naughty or nice in this Christmas tree? Did Santa leave you a good girl stuff or bad girl stuff?
I was good now.
You a good girl? What did Santa leave you?
Baby Santa leave me some glue.
Some who?
Glue.
Some glue?
Glue!
Talk
Go
about-
glue.
Gold glue. Guys, do you think she is on the naughty or nice list? Here you go. Okay, guys. Let's see what Naya got.
Ew! I hate it. I was bad girl this year.
Guys, Naya was naughty. She got some poop slime. Are you excited?
Mommy, I hope that this slime's like really old and like you won't
Dried
come
up.
out. Yeah.
It won't come out.
Yeah.
Probably.
What is
Ew,
it?
ew. Oh, guys. Ew. I got bad news for you.
Give
It's
me
not
it.
old.
Give me it. Give me it.
Guys, look. Let it shake out.
This is so cool.
Come on, we want to see it shake.
No.
No, let it take a
No! I did not!
Wait, let me show the camera. Okay, guys, look at this doo-doo.
No, get it away.
That's Naya's doo-doo.
Oh, and it's like all spreading. Oh, it feels great though.
Let me take my poop. Happy yellow poop. Ellie took a poop, guys, and so this is what it looks like. Ellie, you're disgusting.
No,
I don't want to. Ew!
Okay, so it is now time for Team Little Sister.
This
Team
one.
Little Sister, which one? You want that one in the back? Okay, let me grab that up for you. Okay. All right, Team Little Sister, here's your tree.
No.
Do you know what it could be?
I hope it's poop. I was
You excited?
Yes.
All right, here
I
you
don't
go.
like Santa Claus. No, I do.
Were you on the naughty or nice list? OMG, let's take a look.
Ellie was on the nice list.
Guys, it looks like Ellie was on the nice list
I
again.
hate Santa Claus.
Look at this purple
No, I
gold
don't.
dust this purple glitter dust she got.
Wow.
It looks like fairy dust.
Santa Claus. Wow.
All right, Naya.
This Santa Claus. Take that, Santa Claus, the ugly.
Oh, let's fill it out. Here you go, Naya. Let's see if Santa Claus decided to put you back on the good girl list.
It's speeds.
Oh, she got pink slushy beads, but she still looks angry. Here's her beads. What? These are pretty.
No, they're really pretty.
Are you scared of that brown poop?
Yeah, I hate
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Let it
I hate
marinate. It's getting its juices going.
You be quiet about me.
Okay, Ellie, choose your Christmas tree.
This one.
Okay, so she has chosen this one.
It's really bad.
All right, here you go. Do you oh wait, are you on Santa's good list or naughty or nice? Naughty or nice?
Good.
Okay, here you go.
I want to be in the bad list. Of course.
OMG, that's the one you picked before and you got it again. You got, let me see it. Ellie got a piping bag full of gold glitter glue.
Wait, we should don't choose the wrong pin. I was looking. Look
so
at the
good.
unicorn horn.
Oh, it does look like that. Naya is really hurt right now.
I hate this.
Naya's whole life is in the toilet.
It's unicorn horn. Ellie's like unicorn horns is everywhere.
Guys, do you prefer Naya's or Ellie's? Leave a
I
comment below.
prefer Ellie, so just let me go away.
Okay, Naya, pick your next
That's
one.
a jacket. I'm sad. I want this.
Oh, wait. Okay, you want that tree?
Yeah.
All right, are you ready to see
Yes.
what you have?
Yes.
Here
I
you
know
go.
I have beads. At least I have beads. Why is she getting like the pink?
Oh, let's see those.
Nice, I get so much pink today.
She is. If without that brown doo-doo in the corner. Oh,
I'm gonna cover that.
here's the pink.
Look.
Oh, she covered up her poop.
Yeah, everyone just thinks my final portrait. Ellie, yes! Don't do that.
Okay, so now we have the last two trees left, and we're going to do, what we're going to do, you guys are going to each choose a tree, and then we're going to reveal what the contents are, and whoever wins rock, paper, scissors gets to keep the contents, okay?
Okay.
All right, so Ellie, which tree would you like?
This one.
Okay, so we have Ellie's tree. So let's reveal what's in Ellie's tree. She has white snowballs. And that means, Naya, you get this tree. And then this one, you have a gold glitter squishy.
Oh, I so badly want to keep mine. I
Okay, so let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to keep the tree.
paper, scissors, shoot.
Ooh, Naya, would you like to take Ellie's snowballs or do you want your gold glitter?
I'm keeping my gold glitter.
Okay.
Mommy,
Well,
I
Ellie-
don't need that gold glitter. That gold glitter.
It was Ellie's turn, so let's go ahead and get Ellie's in there. Let's just pour it in so we don't make a mess.
Yeah, Ellie's takes so long. She's just like, oh.
Naya, you just did the same thing 2 minutes ago.
Oh, it looks cute. It looks like marshmallow.
At some point today, we'll be done with
It
this.
looks
guys.
like it looks like snow, kinda. Yeah, snow, marshmallow.
All right, so now we are going to take a look at Naya's. I got to point it down this time so you guys can really see it. So I'm just going to nick it. Oh, whoa. That one is a water one. The other one was a gel.
This looks.
Wait, it's about to squirt on me.
It looks like rainbow. It looks like gold pea.
It's unicorn pea or leprechaun pee. All right, so now you guys see the final sum. Let me show you guys what Team Little Sister has. If you're Team Little Sister, this is what you're working with. You have purple glitter, lots of confetti balls, some gold there, lots to work with. If you're Team Big Sister, this is what you're working with. You have some pink, some gold, some reds, and under that pile of pink, there is a turd. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is you guys are gonna mix it up. Here you go. Let's get started and let's just see what it looks like. Stirring up, go ahead. Guys, what do you think their final colors are gonna be? Especially Naya's. Oh, that poop.
I'm gonna break the poop up so where it just doesn't show. I'm gonna break it into the poop.
Like chunks?
No, that's what I mean. I don't know what my slime is.
Mine kind of looks like ice cream with like glitter in it. It's
Yeah, Ellie, you're just so pretty. Mine's ugly. No,
This is
it's really pretty, but I hate this poop.
If only if you didn't got that poop, life would be better.
I hope, like, you know what I really hope?
Because it's already slime, the poop, so it's hard to mix.
Do you have an idea? I'm gonna chunk it. This is not working.
It looks like somebody came and thought this was a cat thought this was a litter box and pooped in it. Hey, this little poop in your little box.
Okay,
Mine looks like gold rainbow spaghetti.
Your
Spaghetti?
Ellie's
What is
slime.
spaghetti?
Mine's like rainbow.
It looks like a new type of cereal.
Ellie's slime's so beautiful. Mine's ugly. It looks like this.
Yours is actually pretty. You're focusing on one bad part. 90% of your slime doesn't have that thing in it.
Yes, it does. Everything's all brown, black. It looks like poop.
All right, so I'm going to start putting some of this mixture in here. No, put it in there.
It looks like
Okay, let's start seeing what your slime looks like.
it looks like a magical animal's poop.
All right, Ellie, are you able to keep your bin still?
Yeah.
Ellie's
Look
bin is
how
like...
pretty it is.
Yours looks like an ice cream, Nia, like a strawberry ice cream with chocolate sauce.
Or like chocolate chips in it. Really big chocolate chips.
Guys, tell me in the comments, would you rather have Naya's slime or my slime?
Chocolate chip ice cream slime or
Or
Ellie's.
would you have rainbow glitter confetti slime?
Okay, Ellie, that sounds like so much better than my description.
All right, guys, so Team Ellie, this is what you're working with so far. And Team Nia, this is what you're working with. Nia wants you to look past her chocolate chunks. It looks like strawberry with chocolate chunks in it.
What does I look like?
And yours just looks like funfetti.
It looks really pretty, Ellie. It looks pretty.
Look at Team Ellie. Hold it still, Ellie. Let's see. You have glitter. You have your little balls. Let's listen to hers real quick. Okay, Ellie, why don't you give us a stretch?
Okay. Ooh.
All right. Okay, so now let's look at Team Nia. Let's take a look at yours real quick. You have all these, you have some pink glitter and balls in there, and you do have some little chunks in here of the
Yes.
brown. But for the most part, you see all the little
My
gems
slime's
and
not
things.
crunchy.
All right, so Ellie, let's have yours silent for a second. Let's listen to Nia's. Whoa.
There we go. Ooh.
You gonna give us a big stretch? You're barely lifting your arms.
Hold up. I'm gonna do a really big stretch.
Okay.
I can beat that stretch Ellie did. That's easy peasy lemon tweezy. Time to do a really big one.
Let's see who can stretch the longest.
Yeah, let's see who can do that.
Whoa, it broke!
That's a baby stretch.
Wow, look at that. Oh, look at Ellie. Look at Nia. So guys, make sure you leave a comment below. And this is our new channel, Nia versus Ellie. This is not the Nia and Ellie Toy Show. You must subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell if you want to see our challenges on this new channel, Nia versus Ellie. Subscribe right now, and we will see you guys next time.
Bye, guys.